Hello friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, we'll be seeing how to identify the age of the bird with respect to budgies, cocktails, finches and African bluebirds. So guys, everyone might know by this time why we should know the age of the bird and for what purpose. So guys, many people ask, so what is my age of the bird? They'll be sending the pic. Yes, certain birds without sensing them, we can identify the age, approximately age, by seeing them. Certain things it is really impossible because you need to do it by yourself. DIY is what I oftenly use to all my followers. So let me start with budgies. Guys, budgies we can see something called cap feathers. So I'll be showing the difference from semi-adult to adult. So the stripes what you can see on the head, if the bird is having stripes from the beak to complete head, that's called cap feathers. When you can see that, then the bird is still young, and when it comes to adult age, the cap feathers will be awfully removed. I mean, like the feathers will be lost and the new feathers will be replaced by the cap feathers. This cap feather thing of identification is not applicable for rare mutations, something like pied varieties, recessive pied, albinos. So for them they have something, some other steps. Okay, for them you can identify by seeing the eye. If it is a black eye bird, where you can see one more ring inside the what you call a ring within an eye, or if it is a red eye bird, by seeing the nose you can identify the age of the birds. The commonly known thing is a pelvic bone. Even if it is for a budgie or any bird, pelvic bone identify will be also giving an accurate results. If not, if you are not that expert, then you can see the nose. Pink is a male, dark blue is a male, lightish pink is also a male. When the birds cross certain ages, the cere, what is called as cere, can be changed. Okay, when it comes to female birds, dark brown, white, all are considered as females. I'm just specially saying about the cere region or the nose region of the budgies. Next comes cocktails. Cocktails, guys, you need to wait till 7 months, or if you are an expert, even if they are 1 or 2 months, you can easily tell their age. One is pendulum testing. I think many people have seen in my gender identification video. If not, you can just go back, see that, and you can come and compare this what I'm saying now by seeing their back feathers, by DNA. So these three steps works very effectively when it comes to cocktails. When it comes to finches, the beautiful, more attractive bird will be a male, and 1 or 2 color bird will be a female. So I'll be showing you with all the pictures as possible, guys. From there you can easily identify. And when it comes to albinos, you can see the beak color, any beak with color of complete red, posted red, that's male. Anything which is of light red or something like saffron color, that is a female. If not, you can also have a look with a pelvic bone, even for a finches, that also works. And by seeing the beautiful feathers, even you can easily identify the bird is a male or female. When it comes to African, once again the pelvic region works very effectively. If not, you can go for DNA, or if the bird is adult, by seeing their behavior you can identify their gender. and by seeing the bird with the naked eye, especially with respect to the mid mutation or higher mutation, easily you can know the age of the birds. So in detail, if you wanna know, just let me know in the comment section, so that I can just take you through a small I can catch the bird. I can show you how to see the bird's age and the gender. So guys, this is about the small video of easily available birds around us, to see the age and how to identify it. So this is Chetan signing off from Featherswood. Thank you once again.